Hello and welcome to Booking Live. Today we're looking at an booking experience via the Boltby Flight Academy, one of our fantastic clients that has one of possibly the coolest products known to man, an ability to fly in one of the World War II aircraft such as the Spitfire. Here you can see their website, a fantastic, simple, intuitive website here. You can click through all the different experiences that you want to be able to jump onto. Then I would pick a location to go and do it on. Let's say we wanted to have a look at the Goodwood flights. Then I can see all the different items that are available. I could go and have a look at one of the 360 videos, and I'm going to have a look at the 30-minute Spitfire flight through the English Channel. This then kicks us straight through into the Booking Live powered booking experience. Now, this is a really intuitive, simple mobile first experience. We're looking at it on a desktop here, but again, it's just as simple on a mobile. There's 5 stages. The first one is to choose the item that we want, choose the actual experience, the date, time, any upsells. Then we go through to stage 2, which is the basket. This gives us an overview of everything that we've put into it to make sure that we haven't missed anything off. Then number 3 is the details and the data capture. This is a totally customizable form. It's enabling automation for a customer like Boltby to stop the administrative burden of post the booking having to gather all of the forms, the prerequisites, and all the information necessary to have you on site. Then the 4th is the final summary, and then the confirmation page at the end. But let's take a look at the choose item stage. Now here we have a title, image, could be a video. There's a title here again, and lots of information. It's a 30-minute Spitfire flight over the English Channel. The cost, points, number of participants. I'll click to 1 here. The availability they've chosen is a calendar view. Lots of different types of views via the Booking Live booking experiences. They've gone for calendar because that makes the most amount of sense for them and their users. Let's take a look at the 4th. Okay, looks like we click on the 5th here. We have the Goodwood Aerodrome, has 1 flight left for these specific dates and these times. I can click select. This will automatically update the basket below, and then it gives me some optional extras. This helps to bump up the basket value of customers coming through, but also add amazing additional experiences. Do I want the 360 in-flight video? I may not, but all of my friends are definitely going to want to see that, so we should definitely add that in there, and so on and so forth. Lots of additional optional extras. As we come down, we then have an overview of the basket, total for this order, price point, and then I would click continue. At this point, then we come through to the second stage, which is that basket. Just gives me an overview of exactly what I've asked for. If I have any promotional codes, I can put that in here then. That will update my basket live. I can then go back and make amendments to the booking I just made, or I can continue shopping, put other things into my basket, or I can go through to the checkout. Very similar to almost every online retail experience you'll have had previously. However, when we go through to this next stage by Yard Details, stage 3, it asks me for an email. If it's my first time coming through, I'd put an email in. I don't have a password, and I would continue. If I've booked with this provider previously, I can put in my email and put in my password, and it will pre-populate all of the data capture information that I put in previously. This saves time, and it's a real big bugbear for people who are booking onto high-frequency bookings, coming on very regularly, and they don't have to put in all that information again. So for the sake of this, I don't have one, I don't have that. I'll click continue. Then it takes me through to the data capture area. Now here, this is a completely customizable form. The whole thing is branded to Boltby, and they've chosen the exact information that they want in here. You could have drop downs, you could have clickable buttons, you could have text spaces, prerequisites, mandatory areas. And here you can see that they've made the mandatory areas red, so it's highlighted, so it's super clear. This is purely the information if you want to get through this quickly. First name, surname, mobile, house number, postcode, how did you hear about us, and then on to the participants. The reason there's a different purchaser and participant option is that I may be buying this as a gift for somebody else. Maybe I'm buying it for one of my staff team members, maybe for a family member. This is me, the person that's booking. This is then the actual participant. Now, if I'm logging into this and I booked previously and I had that password and email already set up, I could click here and it will have all the different participants that I booked on previously, and I could click that person and it will pre-populate the information. I can update it, click my terms and conditions and contact preferences, and then I can continue to my summary page. Now, as I mentioned, this is a live customer site. I'm not going to click purchase on this, but this gives you one example of a really, really exciting activity and experience provider, Boltby, and how they're using online booking and scheduling to automate some of their most important customer interactions, minimize their administration, and to drive revenue for them, selling 24/7 online from anywhere on any device. If you want to find out more, underneath this video in the description, you can click on the link. That'll take you through to our website, or if you already are on our website watching this, you can click on the top right-hand corner and go to demo. That'll put you in touch with a live one-on-one conversation with one of our solution specialists that'll listen to your requirements and then point you in the right direction of the right booking experience for you. If it's not through us, we'll point you in the right direction to a better provider suited to your needs as well. But we look forward to supporting you. Thanks for taking the time today, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye.